Back at it on a serious note. Want y'all to hear about the coronavirus cases, the new cases and stuff in North Carolina. Y'all listen up.
Well, North Carolina just releasing new COVID numbers. More than 7,000 new COVID cases are reported in the past day. That's up more than 1,700 compared to yesterday. The percent positive at 12.3%. More than 3,000 COVID patients are now in hospitals across North Carolina. That's up more than 150 patients. The death toll now surpasses 1,400 since the pandemic began, with more than 50 new COVID-related deaths. Well, North Carolina just releasing new COVID numbers. More than 7,000 new COVID cases are reported in the past day. That's up more than 1,700 compared to yesterday. The percent positive at 12.3%. More than 3,000 COVID patients are now in hospitals across North Carolina. That's up more than 150 patients. The death toll now surpasses 1,400 since the pandemic began, with more than 50 new COVID-related deaths.
So y'all heard that, right? I'm trying to find something else right quick. I'm gonna let y'all hear this too. This about the CDC saying that the third where you get your booster shot, you eligible for your booster shot 8 months after you had got your second vaccination.
Not either the Pfizer or the Moderna vaccine will now need a third booster shot.
However, you still have to wait 8 months for when you received your full vaccination. Natalie Brand has more details from the White House.
COVID booster shots could be widely available for millions of Americans beginning next month.
We are getting indication that as time goes by, particularly in the context of the Delta variant, that the protection against infection is diminishing significantly.
Studies from overseas show fully vaccinated people are beginning to exhibit worsening symptoms in their breakthrough cases.
So in our process to stay ahead of this virus, we're starting to see it in infection. We're concerned we will see it in severe disease, and we're planning ahead to stay ahead.
But with millions still unvaccinated, President Biden announced nursing homes that receive Medicare or Medicaid payments will now need to ensure their staff is fully vaccinated.
With this announcement, I'm using the power of the federal government as a payer of health care costs to ensure we reduce those risks to our most vulnerable seniors.
The CDC says the number of people getting their first vaccine dose has fallen for 5 straight days.
I did not get the vaccination just because I feel it's government pushed on the people, pretty much. And I just feel it's poison in my eyes.
But health officials say the vaccine is still the best way to prevent infection, hospitalization, and death.
We have a pandemic of a Delta virus that's ravaging our community, and we have a pandemic of misinformation.
The U.S. had a total of 400,000 new COVID cases for the entire month of June and is now approaching nearly 2 million so far this month. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.
Sad, man. Like, it's been like 5 months ago though. I got my second vaccination on Moderna. I'm considering the booster shot though. I'm gonna get a little bit more info on that shit before I do that shit though.